Page 8, Jolly Old St. Nicholas. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats. This is nice. Well, they may have them in the piece, but there's none at the beginning of the staff. And there's no eighth notes in here or nothing. That's kind of nice, just quarter notes and half notes and stuff. So again, one hand at a time to start until we get the notes and the rhythm figured out. So you're starting on third finger on E, puts you in this position. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the left hand comes in and does some stuff. And that's really about as tough as it gets for the right hand. Let's talk left hand. You're starting out at the beginning with a C and a G with a little finger and thumb. So you're in this position. So we're here. That's a whole note, followed by another whole note, and then another whole note. Isn't this fun? Another whole note. And now, top of page 9. Left hand comes up here, because you went up one, and now you get melody. Rest, and then now it's an F sharp, and they want the second finger on the F sharp. So during the rest, just come down one. Here, and then for the first measure of the second line, that is an F natural. F, G. Sounds wonderful, don't it? And then there's a rest, and then we go. And that's pretty much it for the left hand. So put them together once you get that, and you're here to start. Connect it as best you can. And then the top of page 9. Like so. That's most of the piece, actually. I mean, the rest of it is a repetition of what we've already done. So if you can get that much, you can probably get the rest. So you work it out slowly to make sure it's all smoothly and connected. Now you separate between the phrases. You lift up a little bit so there's a little silence. It's like taking a breath. Something is like on page 8 at the end of the line, after you do the whole note, before you go on, you lift up. Well, that lift up gives you a chance to move your left hand up. That's fine. And then in the page 9 on second line at the end of that phrase, you get a quarter rest. So now you definitely lift up for one whole beat here. So lift up between the phrases, a little silence. And by lift up, I mean up off just a little motion. Don't there, but just a little motion. I'd like to play this with you slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. So go ahead and put your hand here, starting out in C position. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. 2, 3,